How to fix Spotify Connect problem. So if you're currently having this issue, the first thing that you can ensure is that if your internet connection is working or not. To ensure that, you can try opening up other applications that do need internet connection. And if that is the case with you, you can try switching up your networks. Now, if this is not the case with you, what you can simply do first of all is try to clear the app cache of Spotify. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, make sure you close the app of Spotify from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, what you can then try out is try to look for new updates available. Search for Spotify on the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device. And if you do see new updates available, make sure you update this application. Now, if none of these solutions work out for you, what you can lastly try out is uninstall the Spotify app from your device and then again re-download it. You can also try to check if Spotify is connecting through a web browser. So open up a web browser on your phone, preferably your desktop or your laptop, and try to see if you can play songs or use Spotify in general. If those solutions are not working out for you, then that simply means Spotify is down right now, so you'll need to wait out a couple of minutes before the issue is automatically fixed. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.